Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ayo. This is day number 165 of my 365 days of art. So yes, I have 200 more days to go. I decided to just do a normal sketch today and work on the other stuff later. I have a few sketches that I've done and I will be painting over them as well whenever time permits, or I tend to just pick the one that feels as though I want to paint this today. So there's no particular order in which I paint. Sometimes I just paint portrait that I drew, so it all depends on how I'm feeling for the day. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me till now, and hopefully I'll make it to 365 days. But I'm happy that I made it this far. 165 days is a long time, but I'm still in it. I still feel excited whenever I see my artwork, and I'm still happy whenever I do art because it's quite freeing, and I don't want to use the word liberating, but it's something I enjoy. I genuinely enjoy doing art, whether it's something I did like on Sunday where I just did a whole bunch of form studies, or if I do paintings, or if I'm studying material. It really doesn't matter because I really do enjoy everything that I do. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you like this content and you want to see me finish all the way to 365 days, please feel free to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of the week, everybody. Don't give up on your art dreams. Don't give up on any other dream that you have. And yeah, that is all for now. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Bye bye.